It's cute. I mean, I sound, happy.
Learn English conversation from movies.
What are you talking about?
You have impressive powers of observation.
Yes.
That, sounds intimate.
Yeah.
It's okay. You're in the hospital. You were in a car accident. You hit your head, but you're okay. We just kept you asleep for a little while.
How do you feel?
You're my doctor.
She doesn't remember me. She doesn't remember me. She doesn't remember me.
That's normal. That's normal. That's normal.
You're an artist. You're an artist.
What about my law degree? I don't have a law degree?
This is bizarre. I'm Leo, Paige's husband.
It's cute. I mean, I sound, happy.
This is a mistake, Paige.
I promise that I will take care of her.
I don't want you to worry about me, okay? So, what is my routine? What do I do all day?
Well, we usually get up and make coffee.
You know, maybe I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and remember everything.
I know a lot about your family, Paige. Both my parents are dead. It's just Paige. She's my family now.